Hello, everyone. This is Dee Rondinella, Coordinator of Technology Training for the Stark County District Library. I am here today to present to you this week's sneak peek into technology, YouTube. More specifically, your Stark Library YouTube channel. Let's go ahead and get started. There are a number of ways that you can reach YouTube. You can use the address bar at the top and type in youtube.com. You can use the keyword search box and type in YouTube. You can go over here to the little waffle on the right-hand side, and you can click there and you can choose YouTube from the drop-down listing. We're going to use the address bar, and I'm going to type in youtube.com. Now you have to type it in its entirety for it to work. When I'm done there, I'm going to strike my enter key. I've been taken to the YouTube General website. In this website, you're going to see a left-hand listing with some options for those who want to sign in or subscribe to a YouTube account. You can come over here in the center and see the listings that they are recommending, but it's at the top where it says search that you will be able to search for a particular channel. I'm going to type in Stark Library. It does pop up in the drop-down menu, and you may select it from there. You will be taken to a listing of all things that have Stark Library inside of it. We'd like to go to the actual Stark Library channel. So I'm going to click on that center button right there. You can see where my hand is at. And when I click there, I'm going to be taken to the Stark Library channel. It is here that you will find the things that the library has posted in video format for you to view. Each week, we add new items for you to come and see. We have maker videos, training resources, and story times. Most of these are presented by your library staff. You may subscribe here on the right-hand side with the big red box, which means that you will receive notification if you have a Google account. If you'd like to view a video, you simply click on it and you can listen to what is happening and watch. All right. I want to thank you today for joining me. If you have any questions, please contact me at trainer@starklibrary.org. Take some time and enjoy your library's YouTube channel. Thank you.